The third type of missing data that I'm going to talk about, and the last type I'm going to talk about, is missing not at random. MNAR, missing not at random. In this case, whether a value is missing depends on unobserved information. Okay? Whether a value is missing is correlated with other variables that are important, but I don't have those variables. So it's not missing completely at random, because it's not as if the units with missing values are just a random representative subset of the entire data set. And it's not missing at random because I can't say, oh, okay, it's specifically the students from China who are more likely to not fill out the survey. Rather, there is something different about the type of person who doesn't fill out the survey, but I can't measure what that is. I don't know what that is. So in this case, there is some sort of systematic but unobserved reason for missingness. Let me just pause and say the word missingness is a word in statistics. It means the state of being missing. I have worked with collaborators who have crossed out this word when I read it, saying that's not really a word, but it totally is. Missingness is a word, so you should feel free to use that from now on. Missingness is really a word. So here's an example. The example is, do you do cocaine? Okay. Suppose that I would like to know how many people, say, of Wellesley students, or maybe of all college students, do cocaine regularly, okay, or have ever done cocaine. Phrase it however you'd like, okay? So let's think about what the problem is here. If I just ask this question, not everybody's going to answer, right? Some people are going to just decide not to answer this question. They might fill out the rest of the questions in my survey, but some people are going to omit this question. And I argue that the people who omit this question probably had different answers to this question than the people who did answer this question. So if someone omits their answer to the question, do you do cocaine? What is your guess at what their answer is most likely to be?